Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to download TikTok after the ban. So as for May 2025, TikTok is available in the United States of America. And to do that, you need to open App Store on your device, go to the search section that is located at the bottom side of the screen, and then at the top of the screen you see here search bar, and here you want to type TikTok and press search button, and here from the list find TikTok and press download button to basically download TikTok. However, if you don't have TikTok here displayed, you may need to use VPN, or you can change your App Store region to a country where TikTok is available. For example, it could be Canada. But please note that this process involves creating a new Apple ID with a Canadian address and using basically VPN, as I mentioned before, to access the Canadian App Store. But in general, this method is complex and it may violate Apple's terms of service. If you will use this method, you need to be cautious and keep in mind that you are risking. But if you don't want to risk, you can go to the browsing system such as Safari or some other, and go to the official website of TikTok. So it's tiktok.com, and access TikTok using browsing system, not the application. But it may be inconvenient because, for example, you cannot upload any new videos using website. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.